So, hello everyone, this is Ajay Gupta, and I'm welcoming you to all my viewers and on my channel Ajay's Tech Insights. So, this video will be only in English because of our international podcast with Mr. Ambro from Italy. Mr. Ambro, I welcome you from India, and I hope this presentation will be go very smoothly. Over to you, Mr. Ambro.
Thanks a lot. I'm fine. And you?
I'm good. Can you tell me about yourself to our viewers?
Yes, I am a teacher. I work in an Italian school as a supporting teacher for disability people. I have 39 years old, and I like programming, and computer for from a lot of time. Sorry for my English is not perfect, but comfortable reading than speaking. I started to make Sonarpad on December of last year, and it was called Novapad on December. But then I changed the name because Sonarpad is more. I like more because sonar is uh, something that I like that uses, for example, dolphin or other animals for orientation. It was made, first of all, for creating audiobooks using Microsoft Voices. And then users asked me a lot of function and were added to Sonarpad.
Okay, Mr. Ambro, thanks for the intro. So, I will request you to present Sonarpad because me and my viewers are very excited. And before 4 to 5 days ago, you told me about it around on Saturday or Friday. You told me right about the
Yes,
Sonarpad. So,
yes.
from that time and day, I'm very excited that what is Sonarpad and how it is going to be used. So,
Okay.
I request you to represent it here on our channel. Can you share your screen?
Yes.
So, Mr. Ambro is now going to present the software called Sonarpad. Over to you, Mr. Ambro.
Yes. Okay. So,
Low instrumental Untitled 1, Sonarpad.
okay, when you open Sonarpad, is a simple notepad. You have,
Blank.
as you can hear,
Blank.
it is an edit text when you can write. For example, I write this is a test. And if you press F5, you can hear using very beautiful voices that are Microsoft natural voices.
This is a test.
You can change the voice, also the language, and the primary function of Sonarpad were to create audiobook. Audiobook also with a lot of option. For example, you can split audiobooks in various parts. You can split by time. You can split by particular words. For example, if you have a book with chapter, you can set chapter to split audiobook, and you can have, for example, first chapter, second chapter, etc., etc. Sonarpad is completely free. Is in help menu there is a donation if you want to support my work, but is not is free. If you can do it, good, but if you can't, is not a problem. Okay. If you press Alt,
File submenu Alt plus F.
you can hear menu, standard menu.
Edit submenu. File sub. Systema sub. Help submenu Alt plus H.
There is help,
Guide F1G. About the program A. Send diagnostics S. Check for updates F2. Donations D.
donation.
Send feedback. Changelog. Guide F1G.
There is also changelog, where you can follow my work in various builds of Sonarpad.
About Guide F1. About the program A. About the program dialog. Sonarpad is a Windows text editor with multi-format support. It opens TXT, PDF, DOCX, EPUB, and spreadsheet files, reads text with TTS, creates MP3 audiobooks, and plays audiobooks. Version v0.7.0. Author Ambro.
Okay,
Untitled.
so for example,
This is a test.
if I want to create an audiobook, now I wrote only a sentence, but it's only for testing. I press Alt.
Files, edit, view, bookmarks, voice and audio submenu.
Bookmark. There are also bookmarks that you can use not only for text, because Sonarpad can open also media file. So, for example, you can open an MP3, MP4 file, and you can, with Control B, set a bookmark. And then if you open the MP3 or MP4, Sonarpad will start from position that you are set.
Voice and audio submenu Alt plus V.
If you go in voice and audio,
start reading F5 previous sentence shift next sentence CTRL plus F5N.
There are a lot of
pause
voices.
Stop reading F6T. Record audio, batch audiobook, record audiobook, CTRL plus RU.
Record audiobook. If you press enter.
Audiobook dialog, combo box collapsed, edit Alt plus N selected untitled 1.mp3.
Here you can write name of your audiobook.
Blank. 1.mp3, so 1.untitled.
Untitled 1, you can change. And if you press enter, it will create your audiobook. There are a lot of functions. For example, there is a tool menu.
File edits, views, bookmark, voice and tool submenu Alt, accessible terminal, CTRL
accessible
plus shift.
Terminal, that is the terminal like CMD in command prompt. So if you, for example, you program, if you like to use Windows terminal, you can use this function to have an accessible, more accessible than the terminal there is in Windows.
Options, CTRL
there
plus
is option. For example, in the option, you can change voices. I press enter.
Options, interface language, combo box English collapsed.
When you open it, there are a lot of
tab control,
of tabs.
Enter tab control, general tab selected.
General tab.
Voice tab select. Voice profile combo box.
There are profiles. For example, I can set a profile for study and a profile for entertaining, for example.
Add profile but text to speech system combo box Microsoft Voices collapsed.
Okay, you can use not only Microsoft Voices, but you can choose, for example, SAPI 5, SAPI 4.
SAP Microsoft Voices.
In the Microsoft Voices,
voice language combo box English collapsed.
There is pressing tab, there is the language, for example, English, but it is also your language, Indian.
Spanish, Persian, Finnish, Phil, French, Irish, Galician, Gujarati, Hebrew, Hindi, Croatian, Hindi.
And you can choose the voice.
Voice combo box Ian matter neural, Ian collapsed, Ian swore neural, Ian.
Okay, there are only two voices in for India, but you can use also SAPI 5 if you have installed this voice.
Voice language, Galician, Irish, French, Phil, Finnish, Persian, Estonian, Spanish, English.
Okay, we return to English.
Voice combo box NAU Natasha NAU William Multilink Ncock Clara Neural, NAU William
There
Multilingual.
are also multilingual voices. The multilingual voices are voices that can pronounce not only English, for example, but every language, for example, Italian, Indian. They use this, artificial intelligence to understand which language you are writing. But it is not perfect because sometimes they, for example, pronounce some words that are English in another language. So you have to try.
NAU Natasha Neural, NAU.
So you can choose your voice.
Show only multilingual voices checkbox
There is
not
a
checked.
check to show multilingual voices.
Speed, combo
You
box
can
normal,
set speed,
pitch,
pitch,
combo,
volume,
preview voice,
etc. There is a preview
preview voice
voice
button,
that you can activate with space.
This
pressed.
is a voice preview.
Okay, so you can try different settings and preview your voice.
Insert use at manage split OK button,
There are a
cancel
lot
button,
of options.
tab control,
It's difficult to show everything, but
editor tab selected, audio tab selected,
for example, in
edit
audio
audio tabs,
tab,
media skip interval, combo box 10s collapsed, default folder type, combo box default fold browse, show convert split audiobook into combo box based on
now there is a split audiobook option. You can split your audiobook. For example,
no split,
you can choose no split
based on time,
based on time,
based on text,
text. For example, for text, you can write a chapter, for example, split your book using this word,
by parts,
or by parts. For example, if you choose by parts,
based by parts, number of parts, edit selected 2,
it will require the number of parts, 2, 4, and you can write the number that you choose.
split audio, no split,
Okay.
untitled,
In
5 edit view bookmark voice and audio tools sub menu alt plus
tools, there are a lot of options, a lot of functions.
tools options, see play streaming audio alt plus shift
There
plus
is,
S,
for example, play
play streaming,
streaming. This function can be used to play, for example, video from YouTube, or download streaming, any streaming that you can copy. For example, if I press enter,
play streaming audio, URL YouTube search query, edit
it
blank,
will require you to or paste an URL or type a word that you like. For example, I can write India and press enter.
downloading stream, untitled 1, downloading stream, play streaming audio list, they are spreading hate towards the Indian community
Okay.
reality.
Then you have results for your query.
Inside India's busiest, I exposed to India. Banners, India expands export 25 cents chips in India flag, India number, street food number, India
I will
duration,
choose video.
India, nobody should live like this, duration 3641, desert life in India number, tradition life number,
And
village.
when I choose my video, I can press enter to play it.
Desert life in India number, what 6 months in India taught me about life, duration 2517. Downloading stream. Audio track combo box automatic collapse.
It will ask you the audio track. You can leave automatic and press enter.
Loading. Zoom workplace window. Downloading stream.
It will
cancel button for 85%.
Hello from UK.
I pressed the space to pause the video. You can use right arrow to go ahead, left arrow, up and down arrow to increase or decrease volume. And you can, for example, if you press Alt,
playback submenu Alt plus P.
You can find a new menu voice, playback.
Play/pause stop.t. Seek back. Go to previous track. Next save episode as Alt plus Shift plus EA.
And you can press enter to save episode. This voice, you can, with this voice, you can save your video.
Playback submenu.
If you press ask,
What 6 months in India? Downloading stream. Play streaming audio list.
you
What 6
will
months in
return to a previous view.
I went
If
what
you
6 months
press application key,
view comments V.
there is a voice view comments. You can press enter.
Downloading stream. Zoom comments list at Ethan Arafat Khan
There
action.
are comments. You can expand it with the right arrow.
Address expanded. Address Spatchala dash 5 hours ago. Reply 1 of 1 at Burning Desire 700. Address address at Vox. Load all comments.
At the end, there is a voice.
And load all comments.
Load all comments if you want to read every comment.
Play streaming audio. Untitled 1. Sonarpad.
There are also the possibility to read news. When we translate Sonarpad to India, you will have also Indian newspaper that you can read, because every language has its own newspaper. For example,
File sub edit view book voice and audio tool sub menu RSS
okay, so
article.
we see shortly.
RSS/articles, tree view, new items, Corriere della Sera, new items, La Repubblica, new items, La Stampa collapse, new items,
There are Italian newspaper.
New items, Corriere dello Stat, new items, Il Reformista, new items, Life Hacker, tips and guides.
For example, Life Hack,
new items, Mac Rumors.
You can expand with the right arrow.
Expanded, Mac Rumors, all unread, Apple set to add car key
and
support.
You press enter on the article that you want.
RSS, temporary, Apple set to add car
and
keys.
You can read with F5.
Apple set to add car key support for India's Tata vehicles by Mac.
You can make pause with F4, and you can stop the voice with F6. And if you press ask, you will return to
RSS/articles.
To RSS view. The good thing is that you can create an audiobook for example, if you read the news that you like, you can create an audiobook. There are
RSS.
Other function. For example, there is an import from Wikipedia.
Edit view bookmark voice and audio submit tool sub applet search dictionary voice dict podcasts RSS accessible to
there is
podcast
that you can search podcast that you like, and it will search from Spreaker and from iTunes. For example,
podcasts review new episodes low
it will inform if you can also subscribe to any podcast, and Sonarpad, it will inform if there are new episodes.
Elisa Lamb Hotel new center sync Dramacrum learn it new episodes the diary of a
and
CEO
you can for example expanded
the diary of a CEO with Stephen Bartlett
and press enter to play the episode.
RSS file edit bookmark voice and tool sub menu applet insert dict voice podcast RSS/article accessible terminal options seat place import YouTube transcript search.
There is also import YouTube transcript. For example, if you copy an URL of video,
import YouTube transcript.
You can have the transcript of this video in your Sonarpad, and you can save as a text file. Another thing, Sonarpad can open not only text file, but for example TXT, but also PDF, docs, EPUB, HTML. There are various formats.
File
You
submenu alt
can
plus.
also import articles from Wikipedia.
Edit view bookmark voice and audio tools. Play import YouTube search and dictionary voice search and import from Wikipedia. Shift
From
plus alt plus
Wikipedia.
WS. Search and import from
For
Wikipedia.
example, I can write India, press enter,
Results list India.
and there is my article. I press enter.
RSS, tech country in South Asia. Blank, India, officially the Republic of
And
India.
you have the article from Wikipedia. As always, you can press F5.
India, officially the Republic of India, is a country in South Asia. It is the 7th largest country by
And you
area.
can read your article, you can save it, you can edit your article. For example, if there are parts
Blank.
that you don't like.
Dictionary lookup, alt plus
For
shift plus.
example, there is also a dictionary
Online dictionary, word, combo box collapsed,
where
edit
you
blank.
can search your word. For example, I will write India. Press enter.
Results, edit read only multi-line loading results. Word, India, blank, definitions, 1, blank, 1, India of the ICAO/NATO radio telephony alphabet, blank, blank, blank.
And it will show you the meaning.
Which
For
combo
example, I can write Apple.
word, combo. Results, edit read only multi-line loading. Loading,
It will load the results.
loading results, word, apple, blank, definitions, 1, a 2, a 1, a common, firm, round fruit produced by a tree of the genus.
So you can read. There is also, for example, in the editor, if you write, for example, Apple and press application key,
Contesto menu, dictionary submenu D.
You have dictionary also there.
Word, Apple unavailable W, dictionary submenu D undo, text seat, diction, word, a common, Apple create 34 third F plus W media, wood of the apple tree, word, Apple unavailable.
So you have your dictionary directly when you write a text. Okay, so I think for now, for the first episode, it is all that I can tell to you for now. If you have you have question, you can write to me. Shortly, it will be translated for Indian people.
Yes, and thanks for this exclusive presentation, Mr. Ambro. And I thanks from all India with my heart to you. And it was very excellent video, which our viewers will watch after 7 p.m. on YouTube. So, and I would request, should we keep a webinar on Sonarpad workshop for few days?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll take a registration from international level, like all countries can apply for it. Not only India, Lebanon, US, all countries can apply.
Yes.
We,
Okay.
we'll take a registration amount around not amount like registration members around 200, not more.
Okay.
Yeah, so that if 200 students join us, so then we'll guide them how they can be comfortable with Sonarpad.
Sure.
Okay, and don't worry, this webinar will be free of cost, not chargeable, for all members and like for all countries. And if you like the video, kindly subscribe to the channel and comment your suggestions or questions. And if you have any doubt, then you may email to ambro86@gmail.com, or you can also reach us at info.gupta.ajay@gmail.com, and we'll help you together. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Ambro. Thanks for the video.
Thank you, everybody.